Welcome. This is The Richest Man in Babylon summarized, Chapter 2, The Richest Man in Babylon. So what's the story here? The story in this chapter picks up from where the previous chapter left off, where a group of friends arrive at Arkad's estate to seek his counsel. Arkad tells about how he gained his knowledge about money when he was a youth from a man named Algamish, who taught him on 4 different occasions. Arkad took to heart the words of Algamish and attempted them, receiving occasional tutelage from Algamish when he would return to Babylon. Eventually, when Algamish saw that Arkad was willing to learn and exercise wisdom and prudence in matters of money, Algamish made Arkad his business partner. After Arkad finishes teaching his old friends what he learned and how he's grown his wealth, only a few believe on his words and put them into practice. So what are the key financial principles in this chapter, specifically the ones that Algamish taught to Arkad? Wealth is a power used to increase the potency of the things that bring us happiness. Wealth is not the source of happiness. The only reason you're not financially successful is because either A, you don't know the laws that govern money, or B, you don't follow those laws. Chance or luck have nothing to do with building wealth. See how many lottery winners squander their wealth rapidly. Arkad chose to do something about his financial situation. Wealth building is an intentional act. In our modern world, virtually everyone has excess time and ability to improve their standing. Seek out financial advice from those who have proven themselves financially capable. Pay yourself first. PYF. Pay yourself first. 10% minimum, no exceptions, period. It's difficult at first, but once you get used to doing it, it will be easy, and you won't miss the money. This is the principle of live on less than you make. PYFing, paying yourself first, is hard at first and takes effort. To not pay yourself is to be a slave who works all day to support others. Enjoy life while you are here. Do not overstrain or try to save too much. 10%. The money that you save should be invested into wise investments where compound interest can generate exponential wealth. Do not spend your capital gains, but reinvest them. Beware too good to be true interest rates or investment opportunities. Always seek the wisdom of prudence and the counsel of those who are wiser than you. Have a long view of wealth. You will be old someday and will want to retire. You will have medical expenses, etc. You know these days are coming, so prepare for them now. Also get life insurance. It's never too late to start following these simple laws of wealth. The younger the better for sure, but start now. Charitable giving is the mark of a noteworthy person. Charity has been shown to increase financial success. Whether it's tithing to a church or donations to a shelter, give liberally. All right, so how do we take these key financial principles and apply them into our lives? Save 10% of every paycheck and use it to build your own wealth. You can do this by putting that money into an emergency fund, using that money to pay off your debt, using it to invest into your future, etc. Make the decision to start now and commit to do it. Do not allow your temporary whims to determine your future happiness. Do not expect money to bring you happiness, but understand that money increases our ability to do the things that do bring us happiness. Internalizing this truth can help motivate us into action. When investing, do your research into the mediums you plan to invest in. Seek counsel from multiple reliable sources. Be liberal in your charity, supporting causes and organizations you trust and believe in. That concludes our summarized discussion of Chapter 2 of The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon. You can move on to the Chapter 2 discussed video where we go into more depth, or you can move on to Chapter 3 summarized. Thanks for watching.